recording? I hope it's recording because your bitch look.
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face.
Hey BRATS, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alisha Brittany, and if you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning BRAT, it's so very good to see you today. I was able to achieve this hairstyle for $20. Why? Because these are synthetic clip-ins. Can you tell? Is it easy to tell that these are synthetic? This is not human hair. I love these clip-ins. I've loved them. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you see that I was able to style these down and they look bomb. So I figured why not try it updo style, and I'm telling you, I love the results just the same. It's super, super natural, super flat, you guys. I'm telling you, just keep watching, keep watching. If you want to see more content like this, you guys, make sure to subscribe, and I hope you like the look. that's all that I have for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial very much. I hope that it was easy. I hope that this style is attainable for you. Even if you don't do this style, I'm pretty sure you can do like a half up, half down. If you guys would like to see more ways that I'm able to style this look, be sure to leave a comment below and tell me which styles you would like for me to choose. Until next time, BRIT Brats, stay blessed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And as always, stay blessed. Bye, BRIT Brats.